Hi everyone, so this video will be about how to use the measure tool in Civillo. So it's simply just this icon here, measure, and once I've clicked on that, I can start clicking on the map to do a length or an area. So your areas can have as many vertices as you want here. You sort of make whatever shape you like with these areas. You can see that the information auto updates here on the right hand side, but also on the map after each click. You can also drop down this drop down box here to change between meter squared, kilometer squared, etc. And you can hit this add button, and then you can do additional measurements. So I can do another length here. I can drag that, and you can see that the length is sort of automatically changing as I move that vertex around. And so I can do as many of these as I want here on the map page, and I can also switch over into 3D mode and do a measurement in 3D as well. So for an example of that, I can click on these piles here, these piers here as well, and you can see there that I've snapped on to this 3D model, and I can move that around as well, and you can get to the vertical separation as well as that, just that 3D length. So you can see there 3D length, vertical separation, and you can see that these circles have turned red when I've actually snapped onto a feature rather than when I was free clicking before they stayed blue. So pretty simple. That's the measure tool done, and I'll see you on the next video.